guys know na meron palang Chooks to go na restaurant? As in dine-in? I didn't know that. But yes. As in niloloko ko pa yung sister ko kanina. Sabi ko, mag-Chooks to go kami for dinner. Pero nasa labas kami and hindi pa kami uuwi. Tapos sabi niya, oo, kainin namin from the plastic. And then pagkatating namin dito sa Robinson's Lipa, meron pala silang Chooks to go na store, na restaurant. So, we are having Chooks to go. So this is what we got. We got the sisig. And then, yung half Chooks to go. Yan. And then it comes with rice na and sauce. Yay! It's so strange to be able to eat Chooks to go, not to go. A whole quarter of chicken for me. Where do we go? Yum. So good. Yung kanilang sisig, it looks unappetizing because it's so bloopy. Like, it's very wet, but it's actually good. So,
Hindi niya kailangan ng kalamansi.
oo, hindi na niya kailangan ng toyo, kalamansi. Perfect na siya. It's just bloopy and mukha lang siyang sizzling pero hindi siya sizzling.